I'm Matt O'Neill, work with the Future Networks team with Essential Energy. We're out here at Cutler's Cottage working on an installation of a standalone power system. This system is going to have a hydrogen component, which is brand new for Essential Energy, and with the idea of supplying the cottage from renewable power sources as an alternative to the grid. Customers can see a number of benefits by having a standalone power system installed. Often those customers are at the end of a long run of power lines. If there's any upstream faults on the network, they're affected. By having a standalone power system here, the power is supplied locally, and you've actually got 3 sources of energy to draw power from, so it really does increase the chances of a continuous supply for customers. So we've got solar power, so energy from the sun converted to electricity. That will then charge an energy source, whether it's lithium-ion batteries or hydrogen. That can be used to draw power from overnight. So the outcome will be a more reliable supply for our customers. It will also give us the ability to remove up to 5 kilometres of power lines through heavily vegetated areas. And the broader customer base will also see some of the savings flow through to them.